Viksit Bharat 2047 is a transformative vision of the Government of India to make the country a fully developed, self-reliant, inclusive and globally influential nation by the time it celebrates 100 years of independence in 2047. This milestone marks a historic journey since Indian independence, reflecting India's progress in economic growth, governance and global standing. India aims to expand its economy to $30 to 40 trillion, improve living standards and ensure inclusive development across all sections of society. Vision of Viksit Bharat 2047. The vision focuses on achieving high living standards, inclusive growth, advanced infrastructure and strong governance for all citizens, develop economy, transform India into a high income nation with a GDP of 30 to 40 trillion dollar and strong global economic presence, zero poverty goal, eliminate extreme poverty through inclusive policies, social welfare schemes and financial inclusion initiative, high per capita income, raise per capita income to around 18,000 to $21,000, ensuring better quality of life, quality education and healthcare, ensure universal access to affordable high quality education and modern healthcare system, infrastructure development, build world-class physical and digital infrastructure including smart cities, high-speed transport and 5G city connectivity, technological leadership, position India as a global leader in AI, semiconductor, space technology and innovation-driven sectors, self-reliance, reduce dependency on imports by strengthening domestic manufacturing and supply chains, environmental sustainability, achieve sustainable development through renewable energy, climate action and a circular economy, good governance, promote transparent, efficient and technology-driven governance system with citizen participation, global leadership, enhance India's influence in global governance, trade diplomacy and cultural outreach, pillars of Viksit Bharat 2047. Viksit Bharat 2047 is built on four core pillars that ensure inclusive and balanced development across all sections of society. These pillars focus on empowering key segments to drive India's transformation into a developed nation. Yuva Youth. India has one of the youngest population in the world, making youth empowerment central to achieving the Viksit Bharat vision. Skill development and employability. Large-scale programs like Skill India and PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana aim to equip youth with industry-relevant skills for future jobs. Education reforms. Implementation of modern education frameworks aligned with the National Education Policy 2020, focusing on critical thinking, multidisciplinary learning and digital education. Startup and innovation ecosystem. Initiatives like Startup India and Atal Innovation Mission promote entrepreneurship, incubation and funding support for young innovators, digital empowerment, access to online learning, coding AI tools and digital platform to prepare youth for Industry 4.0 jobs, employment generation. Scheme like PM Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana aim to create millions of job opportunities, civic participation. Platforms like My Bharat encourage youth engagement in nation building, volunteering and leadership roles. Garib Poor. This pillar focuses on uplifting economically weaker sections and achieving the goal of zero poverty, basic amenities for all, ensuring universal access to housing, PM Awas Yojana, electricity, Saubhagya, clean water, Jal Jeevan Mission and sanitation, Swachh Bharat Mission. Financial inclusion, expansion of banking services through PM Jan Dhan Yojana, enabling access to savings, credit, insurance and pensions, direct benefit transfer (DBT), transparent and efficient transfer of subsidies directly to beneficiaries using Aadhaar-linked system, affordable healthcare. Schemes like Ayushman Bharat provide free or subsidized healthcare to poor families, education accessibility, digital education tools and government schemes reduce barriers due to geography, language and income, livelihood opportunities, employment generation through MG Narega and urban livelihood mission. Mahilaye women. Empowering women is a key driver of economic growth and social transformation under Viksit Bharat 2047. Economic empowerment. Promoting women entrepreneurship through schemes like PM Mudra Yojana, Stand Up India and self-help groups. Financial inclusion. Massive participation of women in Jan Dhan accounts and microfinance initiatives, workforce participation, increasing female labor force participation with flexible work opportunities, skill development and workplace reforms, education and health, improve access to education, maternal health care, nutrition and sanitation facilities, safety and legal rights, strengthening laws, fast-track courts and awareness campaigns for women's safety and empowerment, leadership and governance, encouraging women participation in politics, administration and decision-making roles. Annadata farmers. Farmers are central to India's economy and this pillar focuses on modernizing agriculture and improving rural household livelihoods. Income enhancement target to significantly increase farmers' income through better pricing, diversification, and value addition. Agri-tech integration, use of AI, drones, IoT, and precision farming for improved productivity and efficiency. Market reforms, strengthening ENAM, National Agriculture Market for better price discovery and direct market access. Irrigation and infrastructure, expansion of irrigation facilities, PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana, and rural infrastructure development. Crop insurance and risk management, schemes like Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana to protect farmers against crop losses. Sustainable agriculture, promotion of organic farming, natural farming, and climate resilient agricultural practices. Food processing and exports, boosting agro-based industries and making India a global food supplier. Key policies under Viksit Bharat 2047. Viksit Bharat 2047 is supported by a wide range of government policies and flagship programs aimed at accelerating economic growth, strengthening infrastructure, promoting innovation, and ensuring inclusive development. These policies act as the execution framework of the vision. PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan. PM Gati Shakti is an integrated infrastructure development initiative that brings together various ministries for coordinated planning, integrates 16 plus ministries on a single digital platform for coordinated planning, uses GIS based mapping for real time monitoring of infrastructure projects, focuses on multimodal transport connectivity, road, rail, air, waterways, reduces logistic costs from 14% to global benchmark 87 to 10%, boost industrial corridors, economic zones, and export hubs, minimize project delays and cost overrun through centralized planning, support last mile connectivity in rural and remote areas, Digital India and Digital Hub Policy. The Digital India initiative, along with the Digital Hub Policy, aims to transform India into a global digital powerhouse, expansion of high speed internet connectivity, BharatNet in rural areas, development of data centers and cloud infrastructure, incentive tax benefit till 2047 to attract global tech companies, promotion of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and semiconductor manufacturing, strengthen cybersecurity frameworks and data protection laws, digital governance through e-office, e-courts, and online service delivery, boost to fintech ecosystem via UPI, Aadhaar, and digital payments, encourages digital literacy and inclusion across all sections, Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. These initiatives aims to promote self-reliance and domestic manufacturing, expansion of production-linked incentive PLI schemes across sectors, focus sectors electronics, pharmaceuticals, defense, automobiles, textile, promotion of FDI inflows and ease of doing businesses reforms, development of industrial corridors and manufacturing clusters, strengthening local supply chains and export competitiveness, encouraging innovation and indigenous technology development, strategic push for defense, indigenization and energy security, MSME development and support policies. MSMEs are key drivers of employment and grassroots economic growth. Collateral free loans up to Rs 5 crore under credit guarantee schemes, Rs 50,000 crore Self-Reliant India Fund for equity support, Rs 10,000 crore growth fund to scale MSMEs globally, promotion of digitization and e-commerce integration, support for green and sustainable manufacturing practices, simplification of compliance and regulatory procedures, encouragement of cluster-based development, textile, handicrafts, etc., integration of MSMEs into global value chains, Startup India and innovative policies, promotes innovation-led economic growth and entrepreneurship, tax exemption for startups for initial years, creation of incubators, accelerators, and innovation hubs, funding support through venture capital and government-backed funds, promotion of deep tech sectors like AI, biotech, fintech, space tech, simplified regulatory compliance and faster company registration, encouragement of research and development R&D in universities, collaboration between academia, industry and government, job creation through startup ecosystem expansion, PM Viksit Bharat Rozgar Yojana, a large-scale employment generation initiative targeting youth, target to generate employment for 3.5 crore plus youth, Rs 15,000 direct benefit for first-time job seekers, Rs 3,000 per month incentive to employers for new training, focus on formal sector job creation, encourages industry to expand workforce capacity, promotes skill-based employment and apprenticeship programs, reduces unemployment and underemployment challenges, financial inclusion and DBT ecosystem, ensures transparent and efficient delivery of welfare benefits, expansion of Jan Dhan accounts for universal banking access, integration with Aadhaar for identity verification, direct benefit transfer reduces leakages and corruption, promotion of digital payment ecosystem UPI AEPS, financial literacy programs for rural and marginalized population, access to microcredit insurance and pension scheme, strengthen inclusive growth and economic participation, green growth and energy transition policies, support sustainable development and climate commitment, expansion of renewable energy capacity, solar, wind, green hydrogen, national green hydrogen mission for clean energy, leadership, promotion of electric vehicles and charging infrastructure, policies for reducing carbon emissions and pollution, target of net zero emission by 2070, encouragement of circular economy and waste management system, conservation of biodiversity and natural resources, climate resilient infrastructure development, agriculture and rural development policies, focuses on improving farmers' income and rural transformation, income support through PM Kisan scheme, crop insurance under PM Fasal Bima Yojana, digital agriculture platforms like eNAM for market access, irrigation expansion through PM Krishi Sinchai Yojana, promotion of agri-tech, AI, drones, precision farming, development of food processing industries and cold storage chains, encouragement of organic and natural farming, strengthening rural infrastructure, roads, storage, logistics, smart cities mission and urban development policies, focuses on building sustainable and modern urban ecosystem, development of 100 plus smart cities with digital governance, smart solution for traffic, waste management and energy use, expansion of metro rail and public transport systems, affordable housing under PM Awas Yojana, focus on sustainable urban planning and green spaces, use of IoT and artificial intelligence for efficient city management, improvement in quality of life and urban services, strengthening municipal governance and urban finance, challenges in achieving Viksit Bharat 2047. While Viksit Bharat 2047 presents an ambitious roadmap to transform India into a developed nation, several structural, economic and social challenges may hinder its successful implementation. Digital divide, unequal access to internet connectivity, digital infrastructure and digital literacy, especially in rural areas, can limit inclusive growth despite initiatives like Digital India. Income inequality, the widening gap between rich and poor along with regional disparities may hinder equitable distribution of growth benefits and social stability. Unemployment and skill gap, a mismatch between education and industry needs along with limited high quality job creation poses a challenge in utilizing India's demographic dividend effectively. Agricultural distress, low farm productivity, climate dependence, rising input cost, and limited market access continue to affect farmers' income and rural prosperity. Urbanization pressure, rapid urban growth is leading to overcrowding, infrastructure stress, pollution, and inadequate housing in major cities. Climate change and environmental risk, increasing environmental degradation, extreme weather events, and resource scarcity threaten sustainable development and long-term growth. Governance and implementation issues, bureaucratic delays, lack of coordination between institutions, and inefficiencies in policy execution can slow down progress toward achieving the vision. Importance of Viksit Bharat 2047 for India. Viksit Bharat 2047 is a crucial nation vision that aims to transform India into a developed, self-reliant and globally influential country by the centenary of Indian independence. Economic transformation. It aims to elevate India into a 30 to 40 trillion dollar economy, making it one of the world leading economic powers with higher income levels and stronger global competitiveness. Improved standard of living. The vision focuses on ensuring better quality of life through access to quality education, healthcare, housing, and basic amenities for all citizens. Inclusive growth. By targeting key groups like youth, women, poor, and farmers, it ensures that development benefits reach every section of society, reducing inequality. Global leadership. It strengthens India's position in global governance, trade, and innovation, enhancing its influence on the international stage. Technological advancement promotes leadership in emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, semiconductors, and digital infrastructure, driving future-ready growth. Sustainable development emphasizes environmental protection, renewable energy, and climate action to ensure long-term ecological balance. National unity and long-term vision act as a unifying national goal that aligns policies, institutions, and citizens toward a common purpose of building a developed India by 2047.